Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics for Neet. Begin by identifying high-scoring topics and allocate your study time accordingly. Focus on understanding fundamental concepts rather than rote memorization. Practice is key, so solve a significant number of multiple-choice questions daily to improve speed and accuracy. Create a realistic daily schedule and stick to it diligently. Consistent effort over the next 1 month will significantly boost your confidence and performance in the physics section. Once you've identified your priority topics, dive deep into understanding the underlying concepts. Don't just memorize formulas, grasp their derivations and applications. Maintain a dedicated notebook for important formulas and short notes, which will be invaluable for last-minute revision. Regularly solve numerical problems, especially those from past Neet exams, to familiarize yourself with the question patterns and difficulty levels. This approach builds a strong foundation. Consistent practice is crucial for success. Start taking full-length mock tests at least once a week to get accustomed to the exam environment and time constraints. After each test, thoroughly analyze your performance to pinpoint areas where you need more work. Don't just skip over incorrect answers. Understand why you made the mistake. Regular revision of all concepts and formulas will ensure that the information stays fresh in your mind. As the exam approaches, focus on consolidating your knowledge and maintaining your well-being. Ensure you get adequate sleep, ideally 7 to 8 hours each night, and eat nutritious meals to keep your energy levels high. Avoid introducing entirely new and complex topics in the last few days, as this can cause unnecessary stress. Instead, concentrate on revising what you've already learned. Remember to check the description for a link to some great meal prep containers and other helpful deals. Stay calm and confident.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.